Nestled deep in the heart of Thailand, 100 kilometers south of its second largest city, Nakhon Ratchasima, is an area of incredible biodiversity. Originally founded in 1967 to research the dry dipterocarp and evergreen forests, Sakaerat Environmental Research Station, SERS, was designated a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 1977. Currently led by Director Thaksin Archawakon, SERS aims to be a leading centre for environmental research, education and protection. Its 80 km² area is home to over 80 mammal species, 235 bird species, 29 amphibians and 90 reptiles, 62 of which are snakes. It provides invaluable logistical support for researchers from across the globe. The research undertaken at SERS is largely conservation focused. One of the most prominent and unique projects, the radio tracking of king cobras, comes directly from a desire to reduce snakebite fatalities, protecting both the people and the snakes. Little is known about this enigmatic and often demonized species. The project captures kings, implants a radio transmitter, releases them within 500 meters of their capture site, and tracks them across various terrain types. This technique, seldom used on snakes, allows the Sakaerat Conservation and Snake Education Team, SC-SET, to gain a glimpse into the lives of kings. Already, SC-SET has witnessed novel and previously unknown behaviour in the local kings. To date, SERS has hosted over 365 completed and ongoing projects performed by researchers from all over the globe. Other current projects include common cobra tracking, green pit viper ecology, and quantifying the impacts of an expansion to the adjacent 304 highway. Any research conducted here would be useless unless it was communicated effectively to the wider public. This is why education is an essential part of SERS. Year on year, SERS welcomes over 10,000 students to learn about and experience the glorious Thai wildlife. Changing perceptions to the environment is a slow process, especially given the ingrained negative attitude towards snakes. Education at SERS is focused both young and local, changing ideas of multiple generations and fostering a genuinely new perspective on the environment. Outreach is paramount to maintaining a positive relationship with the surrounding communities. During research, every effort is made to ensure that local villagers are at ease with the presence of researchers and the snakes. For example, when kings are captured within a settlement, villagers are offered the chance to name the snake and watch the processing back at the station. This is one small part of an effort to educate multiple generations in tandem. Additionally, SERS encourages visitors to engage online through a website and social media. Both are poised to grow and spread a positive conservation message to a much wider audience. On top of the more academic pursuits, SERS has a responsibility to maintain a strong front when protecting biodiversity. This task is implemented in part by a ranger force that's locally integrated but independent of the provincial police. Further bolstering the protection of species is a locally sourced snake rescue team, who work to reduce the animosity between snakes and people. Trained at the station to safely remove snakes from villages, the rescue teams are an extremely direct method of tackling snake-human conflict and ensuring SERS benefits all parties. Through its work, SERS hopes to integrate three cornerstones: research, education and protection. As a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, it's well placed to serve as a model for reserves not only in Thailand, but worldwide. Being part of the ISTF conference would enable SERS to share its successes, while also learning valuable lessons about how to further our conservation practice.